In the field of gas water heaters, stability, safety, and intelligence have become the core elements of global users' attention. As a professional water heater manufacturer, Vangood has launched a new generation of CE-certified gas water heaters, which are being chosen by more and more overseas partners thanks to its stringent quality control system and flexible customization services. Our products strictly comply with the European CE safety standards, and every process from design to factory has been systematically tested to guarantee the safety of use in different countries and environments. Vangood gas water heater adopts balanced flue system design, realizing the effective isolation of indoor and outdoor air and sealed combustion, which not only enhances the combustion efficiency, but also prevents the return of exhaust gases effectively and improves the air quality of the used space. In terms of the control system, we are equipped with intelligent temperature control technology, which realizes the stable output of water temperature through precision sensors and always brings comfortable and consistent bathing experience, no matter in winter or summer. In terms of product line, Vangood offers a wide range of capacity and appearance size options to match from home to commercial scenarios. Meanwhile, we provide OEM and ODM customization services for the international market. Whether it is brand customization, function development, or packaging design, we can respond flexibly to meet your regionalized market needs. Vangood remains committed to providing innovative water heating technology, including gas water heaters, electric water heaters, wall ovens, and essential accessories, prioritizing safety, comfort, and energy efficiency to support families and customers worldwide. As a trusted manufacturer of gas water heaters, Vangood has provided high-quality, efficient water heating solutions to customers worldwide. Want to learn more about customized solutions? Feel free to contact us to start the path of brand cooperation.